Which one are we opening today out of this pile that we've got here?
Frankie Flamingo.
Oh, we're opening Frankie Flamingo. It's time to get funky. Meet Frankie the Flamingo. I twirl my neck and dance to 3 funky songs. I flap my wings, I twirl my neck from Zuru. If you want to check out more, it's at petsalive.com. Zuru, so they've got their little eggs, smash our egg. Yay. So now we're gonna hatch the egg. Whoa! It's a
baby Frankie.
Oh, baby Frankie!
Yeah.
Flapping wings. Flap your wings.
Yeah.
Hey! Frankie! If you love the 80s, you'll love Frankie Flamingo.
Boys and girls, if you like Nimo's videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! See you next time!